Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use filters during Facebook Live. Facebook allows you to add filters and effects to make your live videos more engaging and visually appealing. So firstly, you need to launch the Facebook app and make sure you have signed into your account. And after that, you need to select what's on your mind in the top. And over here on the bottom, there's this live icon. Simply tap there and make sure you have granted the camera and microphone permission if prompted. And after that, select go live. And over here you can select to this voice enhancement at the bottom. And here you can also reduce background noise and enhance voice beside it. Simply toggle on or off as well and select done after you're done. And make sure you have updated the Facebook app. If filters are missing, make sure your device supports Facebook camera effects and restart the app if effects fails to load. And check that you have a stable internet connection. And using filters can help enhancing light and fun visual effects and make your Facebook live streams more entertaining for the viewers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.